bit of imperfection from the factory. Hey, happy Friday again. Let's see what I'm up to. Hey, I got a cylinder head off of a Prius. It's in here to get surfaced. So it looks like it blew the gasket right here, just barely. They don't want to pressure test it, but let me vacuum test it and make sure the valves are sealing. So I have my subatomic particle disintegrator. Let me check the valves. Okay, here we go, no tripod. Good. 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 Oh, good. How about that for some camera action? Okay, let me get it in the surfacer. Hey, when the jump came in, I rolled it over. All the plugs fell out of it. I don't know why the design engineer changed from 14mm to this little plug. Makes no sense. Let me get this thing in the surfacer now. Okay, I got it in the surfacer. I put Dykem on it. I'm going to try to make the lightest cut possible on this thing. So here we go. Let me travel down to this end. Okay, here we go. Alright. I'm going to run it slow. It's probably not going to clean. Let's see what happens. So look, it didn't hit on this corner. It didn't hit over here on this corner. Super light pass. It's cleaning so far. It's a little funny right here and here. And just coming to the other end. Sounds like that doorbell's going off over there. Customers here. So look down here where it didn't hit. See that? A little bit of imperfection from the factory. So obviously I'm going to take another cut, but this thing was very, very flat. Kind of funny how the ends ducked off over here too. Let me give it a half. Boy, I'm just feeling this part right here. This is very strange. Huh. I'll go speed it up. So we're coming back at it. Okay, now we'll slow it down. Cinder back. Alright, we cleaned the corner. Then the other one. We got rid of that funky mark. Okay, just coming across the middle. Sucking away. All of this business went away. Alrighty, just coming off the end. Nice and flat. Speed it up to clear the head, turn it off. This thing stays running for a minute. If I had a problem, I could jam that button right there and it would quit traversing. There, it just quit. Look at Mr. Inspector came over here. Do you need something, Bear? Bear, do you need something? He needs petted, of course. Huh. There you go. Good boy. Good boy, Bear. Alrighty, here's that head. Came out nice. Hey, that was crazy on that corner of that Prius head, having that little dip there. If something happened at the factory, I don't know what. The machine scooted or something. But it's flat now. Hey, thanks for coming along, you guys. You guys come back and see me again. I'll be in here tomorrow doing something. Not sure what it's going to be. In the meantime, you guys be nice to each other, alright? And have a good night. Bye.